So say you need a double gate, you get a trailer through or a truck, and you got a chain link. Look at this I came up with. I drove a post in the ground, cut it off. I put a fucking thinner post in there. I set this bitch on here like so. Boom. Slick, huh? And I got a chain so I could lock it for the dogs. But yeah, pretty slick setup, huh? That's how easy it is to give yourself a double gate. Just something to look at. I don't know, those things that drive in the ground never served any purpose for me, so yeah, that's what I came up with. See ya.
No limits, no script. Just sit around and watch me build some shit. Nathan!